Hey guys, it's Adam from Canada Energy Audit. So you're probably watching this video because you're about to get your attic insulated, or even maybe your basement, and you've probably looked up prices and you've noticed that, yeah, it could be a little bit expensive. What if I were to also tell you that Canada and Enbridge are willing to chip in some money and help you pay? Would you believe me? I mean, it does seem kind of crazy that the Canadian government and a private oil and gas company are just gonna give me money, right? Why would they do that? Well, it's true. Natural Resources Canada and Enbridge, they both understand the importance of having a well-insulated attic and basement because it can directly impact the environment. And they want to help you help the planet. If your home's ever felt really hot in the summer or really cold in the winter, it's probably because of your attic. There's many factors that contribute to how your home regulates temperature. The attic is kind of like the central temperature regulating system in the home, without getting into crazy detail. And one of the major factors that helps it regulate the temperature is the insulation. Also, not having proper insulation in a home can really raise the hydro bill prices. And on top of that, it can waste a lot of energy, which can directly impact the environment. Our homes and buildings in Canada can produce up to 18% of greenhouse gas emissions. So in order to combat this, Canada has decided to create a retrofit initiative, which is called the Canada Greener Homes Grant. And as well, Enbridge has also created a similar retrofit called the Home Efficiency Rebate Program. Now, the purpose of these rebates is to incentivize homeowners to get your insulation upgraded because there are a lot of old homes with bad insulation that people are not even aware of. And we gotta insulate those homes in order to reduce our carbon footprint. Now, the question that you're probably wondering when you clicked on this video is, how much money can I get? Well, for the Enbridge rebate, you can get up to $1,450, and for the Greener Homes Grant, you can get up to $1,800. And both of these rebates also require a home energy assessment, which they add on another $600 to both of those rebates. Now, why do you need a home energy assessment? Well, you need someone to come in and actually assess your home's energy efficiency before getting the upgrade, so we can understand where in your home is wasting the most amount of energy. And on top of that, if you wanted even more rebates, let's say you need to replace that water heater or a furnace, you can also add on to that on top of the rebate and get even more. Now, if you want to know those details of exactly how much you can get, you can check out our website. We have all the information on there. Or if you want to just hear it straight from our mouths, you can give us a call or even an email. All of that contact information will be at the end of the video. So if you're already planning to get your attic insulated or your basement insulated, you might as well just get the rebates. There's no reason not to. It's just free money. So if you don't take it, someone else will. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching today. This has been Adam from Canada Energy Audit, and stay cool, my friends.